Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a room tour of room 7305 and room 7307 on the Carnival Legend. And these two rooms are joining rooms, so let's head in right now. So, as you walk in, you have your light switch. Here, you have your closet right here. Pretty good storage. You have your hooks and your hangers and another hook down there. Over here, you have your life jackets and more storage. You can put your suitcases in here and all your life jackets sit in there. Here you have a bunch of shelves that you can store your clothes. And down here, we usually put our dirty clothes. Here is a nice tall standing mirror. Over here, you have your snooze thing that you put on your door to let them know that you're sleeping. This is when they say window cleaning and balcony cleaning. So they clean like your balcony and everything. Here they have also another one. Here is the bathroom. It's a very spacious bathroom. You have usually all your towels hanging up here and here. And here's a thing that you can hold. I mean, it's like rock. Like the ship's rocking and when you go to the bathroom. Here you have some storage for your toothbrushes up here and here. Over here you have a nice mirror that you can go like close up and also far away. Over here you have your garbage can, tissues, and extra toilet paper and tissues if you need it. Here is your shower. You just gotta be careful when you shower to make sure that you tuck in your shower curtain like this. Because if you don't tuck it in, all the water will come out. So you gotta go around here. And right here, that hook right there, you can hook it onto there so it stays in place so it doesn't move around or anything. Here, you can hang all your clothes across this. And yeah, and here's your sink. Oh, didn't see that. And then you get your soap in a box when you first come on the cruise. And we took ours off. And here's some more other hooks if you need to hang your clothes. Over here, you have your countertop. You have, for one weird thing, you only have one plug right here. So we bring always a 6 USB plug. And then here they have some weird plug, I forgot the name of it. Over here you have your light switch for your, what's it called? Mirror. Here you have your phone. Down here, it comes with a chair and a garbage can. And here you put like, your like makeup and our stuff. Here is your mini fridge. I'm not sure if it comes like full when you first get on the cruise. Like I know for us it didn't. Over here you have storage. We put our shoes in here sometimes. That's why it's a bit messy. And we also hide ducks, like leave ducks in there. Over here is some more storage for your hair dryer. You have in here and then you can put some stuff there. And another one for like clothes and underwear, clothes and clothes. Over here you have your table. This couch turns into a bed and it's a very nice bed actually. This room is for 3 people. So we have me, my brother, and my sister. Here we have some storage. It's usually packed, I don't know why. And then here you have your lamp. Over there you can have a lamp also. And then another lamp right here. And more storage. Over here you have your light switch to your balcony. I don't need to turn on during the day, never mind. Here's your curtain. This is the double adjoining balcony. One thing to know, in this room in 7305, there's a bit of a balcony problem. Like right here, you slide this, sometimes it's tough. But here, the seal's actually broken on the door. So you have to sometimes either shove this seal right here in, or you gotta put a towel because it kind of makes it loud at night. Here you have 2 chairs. This is the joining balcony. Here it's very big because you open the door. This door blocks some of this room's view because it slides from here over. It just stays open. Here's a really cool chair because this chair actually can recline back. Like I can't really show you right And now we're heading into 7307. So as you walk in, you basically have the same doors, same closet storage and everything, hangers and everything up there. Here you have more closet storage and more over here with your life jackets and stuff. Each room comes with enough life jackets for everybody in the room. Here's the bathroom. Basically the same bathroom, same shower, same hook, same everything, toilet. Everything's basically the same as the last room with the same mirror and everything. So basically that's it for there. Here you have some more storage again, and all your clothing going all the way down, just like that room. Basically a copy to that room. Here you have your light switch for the mirror. Here, I forgot to show this on the other side, because you're safe. So at the start of the cruise, it will tell you how to open it and stuff. But here you get these 2 water bottles at the start. They're not free, just to know. It's $4.25. Here, more storage for some clothes. On this cruise, you were actually able to bring pop with you on the ship. So you could bring, I think it was 1 like box per person. Here is the joining bed, because you can like put the beds together and stuff. Here, for some reason they added different lamps in like every room, so this one has like circle lamps. And I also heard in some rooms they have USB plugs on the lamps, like all the rooms are a bit different. And yeah, that also can convert, I'm not sure, I think it can convert into a bed. I don't know why they gave us a room that has 3 people, but only 2 people are staying in it. But anyway, here's your blinds. You can shove the blinds if you don't want to see them back here. And here's another part of the balcony. One thing on this balcony is it has a better seal. Also, you have this top lock, and then this lock right here. This lock on that room for some reason also doesn't work. It is jammed in there, so it doesn't work. Kind of sucks-ish, but it's fine. Over here is the other side of the balcony. You have the exact same thing, same chairs and same table, but today you'll have that amazing view. You can just see the Freeport, and you can see one of the grander ships. I think it's the Radiance of the Seas. You can see that over there. And it's in dry dock right now, so it's getting worked on. So yeah. So, and here's the TV. It's pretty cool light right here. That is actually very cool. And here's your just instructions for your message station and everything. So, this was a room tour of room 7305 and 7307. So, I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright, bye. And also, don't forget to click on this video right here.